Hey guys, Mr. Golias, good morning. Hope you are doing well. Monday, April 20th. This year is flying by. So let's start with the big news. So obviously we won't be able to get to class in person this year, which was disappointing. I'm sure for you guys as well. What does this mean for us? We're just going to keep doing what we're doing. I've picked out a bunch of different programs, so we'll still be able to learn animation, programming. We're going to do video games, video editing, making some movies. So we're still going to do all kinds of cool stuff. It just means we can't get together. So I'm bummed about that too. We'll open up Zoom tomorrow and also have that as a forum. So if you guys have thoughts or concerns, we can address those in class tomorrow as well. In the meantime, one thing I want you thinking about for tomorrow is 3 landmarks that you would like to visit in the world from 3 different continents. So it's up to you. Any place, if money was no object, if you could go anywhere and see something with your own eyes, what would it be? We're going to use those landmarks, part of our final, for photo editing and also creating a Google tour. So be thinking about that. Again, it's 3 famous landmarks. Like for me, I think I picked the Eiffel Tower was one I was going to take my family to. So I already started on an image for you guys tomorrow. But 3 landmarks, 3 continents. Today, if you didn't finish watching the Flipgrid presentations, you'll do that first because your exit is 2 compliments for Flipgrids. I will start grading those actually in about 30 minutes. So if you didn't get yours in, get it in real quick. And then today, the other thing you're going to do should be fun. Inside the Google Classroom. Oh, and by the way, before I jump to that, you'll notice I sent out this link as an announcement. I also put it in our essential tools. It's 5 mini tutorials. They're like 2-3-minute tutorials on Pixlr. This is the updated ones. I wish I had found these sooner. Definitely watch the first 2. They're super helpful, and I think you guys will like that, even for the stuff we're doing today. So that's one tip. Second thing is we are doing an assignment today called Lesson 4. I scroll down here, photo corrections. I really think you'll like this. When you open this up, be aware it tells you here's where you get your help making adjustments, because that's what you're going to do with all these images, and it'll open up this website which actually does walk you through Pixlr and how to make the changes. I think they do a nice job on there. Again, you can also use these videos because they walk you through a lot of these skills as well. So either one will help you. It's like 6 images. Everything, the directions are at the bottom, and you're basically just altering each one of the images, trying out one of these different techniques. What I think is cool about this is if you get good at this, you'll be able to edit your own photos and make them look good for the rest of your life, which can be super helpful. So this is something to have fun with. You're going to do those 6, answer your exit questions, which is compliments that you're going to give on Flipgrid, and I will see you guys tomorrow in Zoom. Have a great day.